Hi, I'm Laura, Product Performance Specialist for Krone UK, and today we're going to go through some pre-season maintenance checks on your Krone mower to make sure it's ready for the upcoming season. After the season, you may be tempted to take the mower off and forget about it until next year. However, it is good practice to look at any issues the mower has had during the season whilst they're still fresh in your mind. It is a good idea to wash your mower and remove any dirt and debris from the path of the crop flow. You should cover the mower in an oil-based preserver before parking it up for winter, especially on those areas of wear. When unhooking the mower, you must relieve the tension from the springs by lifting the catch behind the headstock and removing the pin. This relieves the tension from the springs and allows the operator to hook the mower on and off with ease. We'll start with the most important part of any mower, the cutting bed. After the mower has been washed, you should carry out a visual inspection of the bed itself. You should look at the skids, hubs, discs, frogs, blades and blade carriers. Also look closely and make sure there is no string or wire wrapped around your discs. Here is an example of an older bed which has had some abuse and has not been very well maintained. You can see from the damaged frog here how the material would snag on these rough, sharp edges and would then hinder the throughput of the crop in the machine. These worn areas are a simple fix with the interchangeable parts all available from your local Krone dealer. There is a useful pull-out blade box found on the headstock of the mower. In here you can store a spare set of blades and roll pins for your safe cut disc system. All Krone mowers come equipped with quick change blades. This minimises downtime in the field. All our machines also come ready with a quick change tool carried on the back of the headstock of the machine. The blade can simply be changed like this. There are two PTO shafts to grease on the machine, one to the tractor and one from the main gearbox to the conditioner gearbox. There is also a small number of grease nipples located around the machine, which can be found in diagrams in your operator's manual under the maintenance section. You need to check your conditioner system, making sure your tines are not bent, swing freely, and the bushes are not worn. You also need to check your conditioner plate for excessive wear or damage from foreign objects travelling through the machine. Also make sure that the handle on the end of the mower moves freely, that selects the intensity of conditioning on your crop. Also inspect your spreading vanes to make sure that these have not been bent or damaged, again by rocks coming through the machine. You can check the oil levels of your main gearbox and your conditioner gearbox via the correct bungs found in your operator's manual. You can also check the oil level in your bed via this bung here. This has to be checked when the mower is in an upright travel position. Everyone knows the dangers of having broken or missing guards on an exposed PTO shaft. It is a cheap and easily replaceable part which can help you avoid serious injury. It is your responsibility to make sure that they are in place and fitted correctly with the chain attached to the metalwork and the plastic not revolving. We see a lot of operators mowing grass with the end curtain panel upright in the travel position. What they don't realise is this loses vacuum within the mower, which is not noticeable in light crops, but can make a big difference when it comes to throughput in your heavier conditions. Hopefully this video has been a useful insight on important maintenance areas to help you, the customer, get the very best from your Krone machine. If you want to delve deeper, have any questions, or want to book your machine in for a full service, please get in touch with your local Krone authorised dealer who will be happy to help. Thanks for watching.